If you could sum up the Bradley operating system of how you operate, how you look at the world, what would that be?
Well, those are multiple questions. How I look at the world is through rose-colored lenses, because I wake up with extreme gratitude where most people don't. I realize that getting the day itself is more valuable than anything I could achieve in the day.
Yeah.
So like, people are like, what do you mean? The fact that I get today is more valuable than anything I could achieve today. If I made $5 million today, wow, that's better than waking up. No, I'd rather wake up than get 5 mil.
It's powerful.
Okay, so I wake up with an incredible gift. So my enthusiasm for life is above most because of the gratitude. So that's how I look at the world. You know, I don't think there's there's no such thing as a bad day as long as you have one. You know, there can be a challenging day. You know, there can be a character building day, but at the end of the day, I'm grateful. So gratitude is something that I highly promote. And then secondly, you know, I simplify things. I don't complicate things. Maybe because I didn't go to college. You know, maybe because I'm not university educated. You know, I don't complicate things. I simplify things.
Yeah.
I like to simplify. So here's the simplicity of success, if that's what you want to call it. Number one, mindset.
Yeah.
Number two, skill set. Number three, habits. Don't complicate it. Go get your mindset right. Go get your skill sets right. Get your habits right, and you'll be unstoppable. You'll succeed at anything that you want to succeed in with the right mindset, the right skill set, and the right habits. If your mindset's wrong, you can definitely almost bet you're not going to make it, even if you're talented and you have the right habits. If your mindset's wrong, you'll sabotage yourself. You'll do something to ruin it, I promise you. So your mindset's important. However, just because you have a good mindset doesn't mean you're going to succeed. It is possible to run passionately in the wrong direction. So at the end of the day, you need a good mindset, but then you need a good skill set. Everybody should take assessment of their skills. Like, and be honest with yourself. Like, quit answering it for other people. You think you're good at this? Oh yeah, I'm good at that. Like, ask yourself, what am I good at? And if the answer is, I'm not really good at anything, I'm not worth anything. Okay, that's your mindset. That's not a skill set problem.
Yeah.
Thinking that you cannot improve is a mindset problem. Not improving is a mindset problem. Why? Because, dude, if you don't believe it's possible to improve, like, in other words, do you believe you can raise your IQ or you're born with it?
I think you raise it.
You can raise it.
No, you can raise it.
It's damn straight you can raise it.
Yeah.
Some people believe you're born with it. It is what it is. I don't have a choice. That's a fixed scarcity mindset. You want an abundant mindset. You want to believe, right? So there's mindset. Then there's skill set. Are you good at anything? And if the answer is no, not really, well, here's the good news. You can get good at whatever it is you want. It takes practice, accountability, repetition. But at the end of the day, you can get good at anything you want. So what do you need to be good at? Well, I don't know. What are you trying to be good at? Well, sales, communication, marketing, nowadays coding. Like, dude, someone that can write code, they're valuable, period. Okay. AI engineers, people that know how to train AI. Because a lot of people say, oh, AI. Listen, you got to train the shit for it to be real valuable. So there's a lot of things you can get good at. I would suggest you do the basics: sales, marketing, communication, branding. Get good at something. Get your skill sets right. And then your habits. Because if your mindset's right and you're really talented and really good, but your habits are terrible, you still end up crashed. So all you got to do is quit complicating it. Say, man, what do I want to do in life? Okay, I want to do this. Great. Look at your mindset towards that. Look at your skill set, and then look at your habits. Keep shit simple, rock and roll, and follow me. Because I drop nuggets like this on a regular basis.